Hey guys, Purple Seda here. So this is more of a test. I'm gonna probably start making videos next year, January, starting the first week of Jan. It'll be one of my goals for next year, do a weekly analysis, almost every week possible. Um, I'll just scan through what I'm about, what my goals are, and what this channel's about. Basically, I started trading in September. My results are obviously shit. um, Yeah, we can see first month 4%, second month lose 5, third month lose 5, and then these were the 7% boost I just got. It's actually trades I also took in November. They just took quite a while to close out, so eventually they did close out. Well, it's the fourth today, so I mean they closed out like second or first, I'm not sure. So I made some good, decent money. So I'm back at back at break even. Current goals have changed. Like, yeah, I was running at like 1% risk. Yeah, I had a mix of 1 and 2, and now I'm solidly just doing 2% risk. Um, it's maybe best, people would say, because to stay at 1% until I'm, more experienced, but I feel I'm starting to understand what good setups are. My goal now is to keep it at 2%. And just take less trades, much less trades. Like I counted, I think I took in November, and that in November I already cut back a bit on the trades. I took about 15 trades, and I'm labeling myself as some kind of a type of swing trader. So I don't think people are taking 15 trades as swing trades. I guess maybe my stops are too tight. I'm not even sure. I'm learning as I go on, but yeah, that's it. My goal is to keep about 3 to 5 trades open at most, and my goal was first to make 10% a month. That would obviously be ideal, but from what I've been reading, it's not lots of people can actually maintain it. So for now, my goal is just to have a positive month every month, being from 0.1 up until 10%. I don't care. Basically, if I'm trading 3 trades, I win all 3 at a 2%, and I'm got a minimum of 2 to 1 risk reward. That should book me about 12% a month. But obviously, it's not as easy. I'm going to lose one, and it's not going to close out that month, or because swing trades can take long. My Euro USDs that brought me in quite some decent profit. They took just over a month, I think, to close out. So. But anyway, I'm going to cut back a lot and just focus on very good setups and focus on winning, and the money will come. As you'll see, it's a pretty small account, so I'm not thinking of getting rich on it. My goal is just to become a successful trader within 2017, have a very good year. Well, at least a consistently profitable year, of which I have a decent average throughout the year, and I learn, and maybe a year or maybe 2 years, if I'm still going at it and I'm still beating the markets, then I'll start focusing and looking for people to invest and then take it from there. But for now, I first got to become a profitable trader because I'm break even at the moment. So let's have a look here at my positions. I've currently got 4 positions open. Not looking very good, but I can show you the trades now. I'm still positive. Took them all in November still. Let's have a look here. So the CAT CHF, this is my current one. I bought it on the H4, yeah, forget about this. Bought it on the H4 there. I felt this is the weekly, yeah. Pretty sure I bought it on the H4. I would have bought it on the H4. I normally enter on H4s and use mostly daily to weekly charts for determining where buy or sell. So this was a decent channel. I actually bought it so not too long ago. It was at starting of last month. I took profit somewhere here quite quick. But yeah, that just semi against the trend, obviously, because it's a downtrend. So now I'm going to go with the trend. My current take profit is about 2.45 or something. I had a support line here. But I'm actually going to extend it. That's what I said. Move TP. I'm actually going to extend it down there. That's the other good thing about swing trading is you can have one single trade in the month of something like a 4-to-1 risk reward, and you made more than enough, broken your goal of like 10% for the month. So I'm excited. Not to be as aggressive, but to be much more patient and focus on, because not losing is also a form of winning. Because I've taken a shitload of trades, and afterwards I've sawn that, wow, these trades are so bad, I could have just left them, or they're like semi-decent, but you know, you can still leave them, and some of them won, some of them lost. But if I stood away from all those trades that I definitely didn't need to take, I would have been up, you know, a couple of percent. I'm not even sure how much, but I mean, I would have been up a respectable amount. So I'm sure with patience I'll figure it out. I'll become a better trader, and I'm pretty sure next year is going to be a good year for me. Anyway, I'm considering, if it's going to give me a good reversal here, considering doing a longer term trade here. It's going to give me about the same risk reward, but let's just see. I mean, we can even go down to something like that. Let's see, let's go on the weekly, yeah. I'm looking for big rewards if I'm gonna wait like a month or two for my, you know, or a month or whatever. That just makes the most obvious sense. So I'll probably do something like, this looks like a good support here. Just above. So we come down. So we can do something like that, or what I can even do is, if I'm kind of positive on the trade, I can maybe, if I feel the reversal is going to be good, I can actually just do this. I'm seeing that I'm getting 4-to-1. Can maybe just do something like that. Just a wider stop, just to, so maybe just hit a 2-to-1 solid, just as an extra. If I feel that trade's going to be, if it's going to show me a good reversal. So in that sense, I've got a little bit of a safety net, because it's possible for it to hit. Yeah, that's not impossible. But I expect it to follow the trend line and go down because of the support here, and obviously the trend. So I'll see. If it gives me a good reversal, I've already got 4 trades open, then I'll probably take this trade. Euro USD, I'm missing. Euro USD. It's looking a bit better. I bought it here on a trend line and a support. Nothing much to say. Overall, I mean, it's on a downtrend, but it showed good support here. So I'm buying it up until around about there. I'll see what it does. If it does show me some kind of reversal here in this type of a zone, let's do something. Sorry. Oh, yeah. I don't know what's wrong. In the meantime, you guys can follow me on Twitter, Pipple0. You can also follow me on TradingView. I post the majority of my setups there. So the Euro USD, as I said, nothing much. That is support. I don't know why it's so slow now. super slow. There we go. So on the weekly chart, it's actually just like bouncing up and down. Yeah. High lows. This is another. It's not a respectable high low, but it is a high low. If that makes sense. It's not like up here. This is a clear high low. We can go to a line chart, which will show us high, same high, basically same low. So might actually just zigzag and then maybe just eventually just continue falling down, I think. So let's see. I do feel that it will go up. At least till there, maybe even till this trend line, or even till there. But if it comes up all the way here, I'm a clear selling it for something like this. Yeah, I'd sell right there for like 3 risk reward. GBP CAD, I'm in. Let's have a look here. Sorry man, the internet's extremely slow today. Week. Just see. No, that looks disgusting. It looks better on the daily, I'm sure. It's so like steep. There we go. Daily looks nice. So I bought it, yeah. Let me just see. Came for the retest, went back and was going to test again, and it was close to my trend line. So I bought it around about there on an H4 and sold it. So it's in the red at the moment, but I'm pretty sure it's going to continue down. So I hope it gives me, just reverses back down from the trend line. And my TP, I mean, I could move it lower, but I was just like, I'm not sure about this trade. Let's rather just take our profits at 2-1 and we get out and we're happy. AUD/USD. It broke out of a triangle. It was on a slow downtrend. Made lower lows, lower highs, I mean. So had a good zone here, and it broke out of the triangle. Yeah, exactly. So once again, yeah, I could also even argue to take it about down here, but for now, I'll take the profit and run. So the only TP I'm going to change will be the CADs here too. So it's a 2-1, but I'm going to change it to 4-1. And then we got this nice channel. Hasn't shown any form of any reason not to buy, actually, to be honest. We got a support zone here. I just draw the line, but I can see like a support in my own mind. So it's possible for me to buy this. If it comes here and it gives me a nice reverse, I'll definitely be buying. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing. Not going to go into all the pairs right now, as it's not really a review video yet. It's just me explaining my goals, what I want to do. You can see my ideas here. Yeah, so like and subscribe. I'll be sure to be bringing more videos from January, and hopefully we can all make some money out of this. Cheers.